Everybody, this is a video solution for number 3 in the volumes practice. So we are looking to rotate the region bounded by y equals x squared, this green line, and the region y equals 1 over the square root of x, which is this black line, from 0 to 2. That's why I have this dotted red line. That's x equals 2. So we're going to rotate this region right here around the x-axis and then find the volume of the solid created. So to do that, I'm going to break this up into two different parts, two different integrals, because if you can see, these two meet at 1, 1. That's where these two functions intersect. So I'm going to break this apart so that we can just find the volume of this portion rotated, and then just the volume of this portion rotated. So let's start with this first volume right here. So this is going to be pi times the integral. Okay, our bounds are from 0 to 1 now, of our radius is going to be x squared, because that's the only function that we're dealing with at this point, squared. So x squared squared dx. And then we're going to add the other integral. So pi times the integral from 1 to 2 of the radius, which is 1 over square root of x, squared dx. Alrighty, so this becomes pi times the integral of 0 to 1 of x to the 4 dx plus pi times the integral from 1 to 2 of 1 over x dx, because 1 squared is 1, square root of x squared is just x. Alright, so this becomes pi times the integral of x to the 4 is 1/5 x to the 5th. And we're going to evaluate this from 0 to 1 plus pi times, let's see, the integral of 1 over x is the natural log of x. We're going to evaluate this from 1 to 2. Alrighty, fundamental theorem of calculus. So this becomes pi times 1/5. Plug in 1 for x, so 1 to the 5th power is just 1. 1 times 1/5 is just 1/5. Minus, when you plug in 0 for x, but that's just 0. So this term is just pi times 1/5. Alright, plus pi times, alright, natural log of, plug in 2 for x, so natural log of 2. Minus fundamental theorem of calculus, plug in 1 for x, natural log of 1. Alrighty, so this becomes, well, here, natural log of 1, that's 0. So this is just pi times 1/5 plus pi times natural log of 2. We can factor out a pi to get pi times 1/5 plus the natural log of 2. And that is the solution for number 3 in the volumes practice.